best motorcycle for beginners. Harley-Davidson Street. When it comes to motorcycles, Harley-Davidson is a name that resonates with enthusiasts worldwide. The brand's iconic reputation for quality and craftsmanship extends to their entry-level model, the Harley-Davidson Street. For beginners who aspire to cruise the open road with the wind in their hair, the Street represents an attractive and accessible option. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Harley-Davidson Street is a top choice for novice riders, covering its design, performance, safety features, and overall appeal. Stylish and iconic design. Harley-Davidson is renowned for its timeless and distinct design language, and the Street is no exception. It carries the classic cruiser appearance with a modern twist. The low-slung silhouette, teardrop tank, and signature V-twin engine are instantly recognizable. The Street's aesthetic appeal is sure to draw attention wherever you ride, making it an ideal choice for riders who want a bike with a strong visual presence. Approachable power and performance. The Harley-Davidson Street is equipped with a 749cc Revolution X V-twin engine. It produces a healthy amount of torque, providing a satisfying amount of power for a beginner's motorcycle. This engine is designed to be easy to handle, with a smooth power delivery that won't intimidate new riders. It allows for comfortable cruising at highway speeds and easy maneuvering through city traffic, making it a versatile choice for a variety of riding situations. Comfortable ergonomics. Harley-Davidson pays careful attention to rider comfort, and the Street is no exception. It offers a relaxed and ergonomic riding position with a low-slung seat and forward-mounted foot controls. The handlebars are positioned at a comfortable height, allowing riders to enjoy long journeys without excessive strain. This user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for beginners looking for a comfortable ride. Lightweight and agile. The Harley-Davidson Street is relatively lightweight for a cruiser, which aids in its maneuverability. Weighing around 500 pounds, it is considerably lighter than some other cruisers in its class, making it easier for novice riders to handle and control. This agility is particularly beneficial for those who are new to motorcycling and need a bike that's responsive and nimble. Safety features. Safety is a top priority for beginners, and Harley-Davidson has equipped the Street with modern safety features to ensure a secure riding experience. The bike comes with anti-lock braking system, ABS, as standard, which enhances braking performance and control, especially in adverse weather conditions or during emergency stops. ABS is a crucial safety feature for new riders who may not be as experienced in braking techniques. Entry-level pricing. Harley-Davidson has made the Street accessible to new riders with its relatively affordable pricing. It represents an entry point into the Harley-Davidson family without breaking the bank. This makes it a cost-effective way for beginners to experience the prestige and heritage of the Harley-Davidson brand while enjoying a comfortable and stylish cruiser. Harley-Davidson heritage and brand loyalty. Owning a Harley-Davidson isn't just about the motorcycle itself, it's also about becoming a part of the legendary Harley-Davidson community. The brand's heritage and rich history are appealing to many riders, and the Street allows beginners to enter this world with a bike that embodies the spirit of Harley-Davidson. Joining the Harley-Davidson family provides access to events, rallies, and a unique sense of camaraderie that's cherished by enthusiasts around the globe. Resale value. Harley-Davidson motorcycles tend to hold their value well, and the Street is no exception. Should a beginner decide to upgrade to a larger Harley-Davidson model down the road, the Street is likely to retain a good portion of its original value, which can be advantageous for those who want to recoup some of their initial investment. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Street, with its iconic design, approachable power, and comfortable ergonomics, is an excellent choice for beginner riders who aspire to experience the thrill of motorcycling while enjoying the prestige of the Harley-Davidson brand. Its lightweight and agile nature, combined with modern safety features, make it a suitable and secure option for novice motorcyclists. The ability to personalize the Street to individual tastes and its attractive entry-level pricing enhance its appeal. By choosing the Harley-Davidson Street, beginners not only gain a stylish and comfortable cruiser but also become a part of the Harley-Davidson community, with its rich heritage and brand loyalty. The bike's strong resale value further underscores its value for riders looking for a long-term investment. In conclusion, the Harley-Davidson Street stands as a compelling choice for those embarking on their motorcycling journey, offering the perfect blend of style, performance, and heritage that defines the Harley-Davidson experience.